Do you see that? Be for real. Do you see that? I don't either.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. I'm back with a very new collaboration from BGM Hair. Black Girl Magic Hair. Through with a bone straight unit. I already pulled her out the pack. Yes, I'm disrespecting her. I was sitting on her. No judgment. So we're coming through with a bone straight unit. Okay. From BGM Hair. This is a straight pre-plucked, pre-bleached, okay? Pre-bleached knots wear and go unit. She's 180% dense. You guys can see what this actual lace looks like. So she is not only pre-plucked, but she is pre-bleached. The texture of this hair is given silky. Love, sex, and magic. Silky. She's 24 inches. I genuinely do not think that this unit is going to take us long to get together. Let me show you the inside of the cap so you can get the real deal holy feel, okay? So this unit has no combs. This unit only has the band, okay? It is adjustable. She is, again, that pre-plucked, already cut unit. You can see the rigid lace. Okay, so let me just throw her on so you guys can get a better idea of what we work on. Magic Hair so graciously provided that, this cap is my color. I couldn't be happier with that. So they provided us with a wig cap, also a translucent one. We have this Black Girl Magic stock card. Okay, the Black Girl Magic band. Nice little gift. Oh, how cute! A little bonnet. Okay, this says BGMgirl hair. And a wig bag. I am obsessed with all these little goodies, as well as some lashes. Look at that. Wow. So this is a lot of lace, okay, that is still visible here. Part of me doesn't feel like I need that much lace showing. That's okay. This unit is very snug, by the way. Super snug, really beautiful. This is going to be such an easy, like she's done. I do want to get the lace together. Part of me thinks I should cut a little bit of this lace off. Like, I don't personally need all of this lace. So let me find my jagged scissors and then I'll get to work. These are a must-have, okay? I'm just going to go on through and just tap a little bit off. Oh, you see the difference? Already you can see the difference. I just did a little piece right here. Do you see that? Be for real. Do you see that? I don't either. Let me see. Okay. So like we normally do, I'm going to take a flat brush. I don't have I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's already known. This is a great foundation if you're looking for something relatively affordable. I'm going to leave it in my Amazon store. You guys make sure you check it out. I'm going to use a little bit of this. Okay, just put it right here on my hand. Like that, like so, like that. Okay, just a little bit. My flat brush, dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. Okay. Boom. Look at how beautiful that is. I almost wanna, so I'm gonna take my cap off. This is a personal thing. I just always feel like if you don't do a bald cap, this is the better way. You just don't need a cap. Like, that's personal. That's personal. Look at the stress, the agony. actually factually stressed. I'm going to use my Andy straightening comb as well as my Conair Infinity Pro flat irons to straighten this unit all the way out. I'm going to strap my Mimi Tape mouth and I'll see you guys on the other side. Okay, my loves, let's dig on into this BGM Girl hair. Okay, this unit is really stunning. This is our first date with this company, and let me tell you something, she kicked the door in. I'm going through with my Infinity Pro flat irons, okay, to get this bone straight, as well as my Andy straightening comb to lay out the top. Now this is a pre-plucked, pre-bleached, okay, raring, red to go, stank, nasty, virgin human hair unit. This unit is stunning. The texture of this hair is so amazing, especially for a bone straight unit at 24 inches and 180% density. This unit is going for just under $250. And if I'm being honest, I'm impressed by that number because I feel like in the world it should be more expensive. The texture of this hair is everything. And when I tell you this is a fitted cap, okay, you are literally wearing a Phillies baseball cap, throwing her up on your head. The ease of this is unreal. So this is a wear and go style. You really do not have to glue her down. I wouldn't even suggest that you do that. I just cut off a little bit of the extra lace in the beginning, but that was a personal preference, not anything major. This unit is phenomenal. I'm going to shut my Mimi Tape mouth, okay, while you go grab your wallet and bust down in the description box and grab you one too. You know, this unit did not tangle at all. It did not shed. She really is one of those that you're going to get every penny of that $250 worth, okay, on this unit. Now, she was pre-bleached. We know that that's going to be different every time. So I'm going on through with my e.l.f. halo and just really getting into the part, okay? Now, if she was pre-plucked and pre-bleached, I think it was a little bit too much in the middle. So I'm just taking some mascara and just hitting it up so I can get a more seamless look. That's all. This unit is very close to perfect, okay? She's giving 999s across the board. Like, absolutely stunning, sexy, and I'm going to shut my Mimi Tape mouth. I am completely, totally, utterly, disgustingly, outwardly, otherworldly, unbelievably outdone. Outdone. Bust up on this hair, baby. Touch her. Go ahead and touch her, bud. She's so silky. Look at that. Like, if you're ever wondering, is this a silky texture or a yucky texture? Silky. Stank, nasty, down to the Mimi Tape bone. She's ignorant. She's bad to the bone, okay? Bone Thugs and Harmony, okay? Bad bitch grab me a bone, okay? She's giving Fred Flintstone on the real, like, it's just nasty. It's nasty. I genuinely cannot understand how good this is. It is so good. Now, let's get into the details. This unit is 180% density, okay? That's first things first. So she's thick. Let me turn around so you can see the back. Let me know if you can see my track splitting. This is her, 24 inches. Absolutely stunning. She's really, really beautiful, superlatively lightweight. Okay, I am so here for the pre-bleached lace. Like, this is completely, utterly stank, nastily glueless. Glueless. Okay, when they talk about glueless, they talk about her. This unit has really set the bar. Look at this. That's her. Just so y'all know, this unit took me no time to get together. The longest part of this was really straightening out the hair. And I didn't even do like my professional get in there, hit it with the, I just went through, hit a little heat on it and let it go. I didn't even want to do too much because she does not require that. So again, this unit at 24 inches, 180% density, this is the Brazilian texture, is currently going for just under $250 on BGMhair.com. Let me get you the correct one. BGMgirl.com. BGMgirl.com, okay? Which is kind of repetitive, y'all. Is it Black Girl Magic Girl? You're going to check that out. They don't sound like that's how it's supposed to be, but okay. So this unit again is 180% density. She's 100% virgin human hair, and you can tell. Never been touched. It's giving Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, the Son. Okay. It's giving very much Mary in the manger. I don't even really know the story of Jesus Christ, so if I'm getting it wrong, y'all bust in and let me know. But this unit is giving all of that. All of that. Girl, good night. You see that? Pudding. I can't take no more. So again, this unit, the circumference is a 3D dome cap wig. Okay, so it's not breathable like we've been seeing, but to be quite honest, where it's not breathable, it really does make up in the bleach, the lace, the cap construction. This is phenomenal. Okay, phenomenal. So if you have not already, I really don't have anything else to say. She did not tangle. She did not shed. She took 5 minutes to get together. If you have 5 minutes, you need to grab this Mammy Tappan wig, throw her on your Mammy Tappan head, and go ahead and do what you got to do. Okay, I hear my man in the back talking about where we're going tonight. So let me go ahead and get out of here, okay?
I'm talking my shit.
Oh my God, do not go here. Do not go here.
Shout out to John Morant. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang, gang. Philly and doing too.
Whoa, get out of here. Get out of here. I'm busy. Alright. Bust down. Subscribe to this Mammy Tappan channel. And I'll see you beautiful mother dabbers later.